folks. To get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone Extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own. Hey everybody, I'd like you to check out our salon quality blackhead mask. It's designed with your sensitive skin in mind. Mr. Blackhead's Bio Aqua Mask is made to hit that sensitive T-zone, unclog your pores, and make your skin feel young again. We'll leave a link in the description below, or check out our shortcut for Amazon at m7amazon.com. You're going to absolutely love it.